How to open YouTube in Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Chrome browser, and once you do that, search for YouTube. Then you want to click and hold the first result till you get this pop-up window right here, from which you have three options. You can either open YouTube in new tab in this group right here, or you can just open it in another new tab, which is like outside of this group, or you can open it in an incognito tab. So choose wherever option suits you the best. And once you do that, you will see that another tab has been opened. Depending on which option that you have chosen, click on it, and once you do that, you will see that you have just opened YouTube in the Chrome browser. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can use YouTube in Chrome browser. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.